So you already know robots are everywhere, but here's what's really mind-blowing. We're entering the age of autonomous decision-making machines that don't just follow instructions, they actually learn and adapt in real time. Right now, surgical robots aren't just cutting where doctors tell them to. They're using machine learning algorithms to analyze tissue density and adjust their movements mid-operation with superhuman precision. Tesla's manufacturing robots communicate through neural networks, coordinating production schedules, and even ordering their own replacement parts when they detect wear patterns. But here's where it gets intense. We're dealing with robots that make ethical decisions. Picture an autonomous rescue robot entering a burning building. It has to choose: save the elderly person on the second floor or the group of children on the third floor, knowing it only has time for one trip. How do we program that decision? Who decides what values to embed in these machines? This is the ethical AI dilemma happening right now in boardrooms and government offices worldwide. When a self-driving car's computer has milliseconds to choose between hitting a pedestrian or swerving into traffic, the algorithms making that choice were written by human programmers with their own biases and cultural backgrounds. Even more fascinating, robots are starting to exhibit emergent behaviors, actions we never specifically programmed. Swarm robotics researchers have created robot colonies that develop their own communication protocols, just like ant colonies. These robots essentially evolve problem-solving strategies that even their creators didn't anticipate. The economic disruption is accelerating beyond factory jobs. AI-powered robots are performing legal research, diagnosing diseases, and creating art that sells for millions. But they are also creating entirely new careers. There are now professional robot trainers who teach machines how to recognize emotions, and human-robot interaction designers who figure out optimal human-machine collaboration. The privacy implications are staggering. Every robot collecting data, from smart doorbells to warehouse bots, feeds massive databases that predict human behavior with frightening accuracy. Some retail robots analyze your walking patterns and facial expressions to determine your purchasing likelihood before you even realize you want something. But here's the incredible opportunity. We're moving toward human-robot symbiosis where machines amplify human intelligence. Brain-computer interfaces allow paralyzed patients to control robotic limbs with pure thought. Scientists use AI to process astronomical data and discover exoplanets faster than ever imagined. Artists collaborate with AI to create music and visual art that pushes creative boundaries. The generation before you built the internet. Your parents created smartphones. But you? You're going to define the relationship between human consciousness and artificial intelligence. You'll decide whether robots become our partners in solving climate change and space exploration, or whether we let them develop in ways that divide society. The technical challenges ahead require not just programming skills, but philosophy, psychology, ethics, and creative thinking. The most important robotics breakthroughs won't come from people who just understand code. They'll come from people who understand humans. So here's your real challenge. Don't just learn how to build robots. Learn how to build robots that make the world more equitable, more creative, and more human. The future of civilization literally depends on the choices your generation makes about intelligent machines. Are you ready to help humanity and AI evolve together?